guys, what's up? Lady Von Barber here in my bedroom. I am still in quarantine, of course, and my barbershop hasn't opened. So here we are, enjoying my quarantine. Yes, I hope everyone's doing well in their quarantine, enjoying the little things about the free time you get to enjoy it with your loved ones or just by yourself. I have not done my hair for a while since the last video actually that I made. That was the last time I really blow dried and did like a style on it, but I actually ended up buying a new product. I really like this company because it's a all-female owned company. Nothing wrong with men, but it's kind of cool to see like three sisters come together and build something really cool. So I ended up getting this iron called the Beachwaver, and it's very awesome. And also I get a special deal for whoever's watching this. You get 10% off if you buy through their website using my Lady Von Wave, and you get 10%. So that's pretty cool. And then I also have, it's a heat protection hairspray, which is really cool because I always like to use hairspray before curling the hair. You never really want to use like a serum in your hair before curling your hair because it over seals your cuticle, so then you lose out on that like amazing curl. So this is really cool. I'm very excited to try this because since I always use a hairspray, and hairsprays don't really give you that thermal protectant, so having a hairspray that is the thermal protectant, it's going to be really awesome because I get to have that hairspray texture where it holds the curl really well with protecting my hair. And also it's cruelty free, and I believe they're vegan products too. I'm not for sure, but I believe some of their products are vegan or it is vegan. If you know, comment below. I'm sure you guys will be willing to tell me that. But yeah, I'm going to give this a try with the new Beachwaver Curling Iron I got. It's a curling iron, and the cool thing about this curling iron is I'll be showing you here in a second, but it's automatic. It's going to make curling a lot easier for the people who do struggle with curling. So supposedly it's supposed to give you those amazing beach wave hairstyles without having to do it on your own. So this will be really cool to try out. So I'm just unwrapping it here and trying to get the rope or the cord free so I can plug it in so it can heat up. So that's just a normal plug-in. There it goes. So it beeps when you plug it in. And up down here, start your curling iron. You want to press here, and then it has the temperature gauge, and this is the less and this is the more. So right now it's at 275 and it's warming up to 350 for my hair. Since my hair, like I had said in the previous videos, it's a lot thicker than most people's hair. This is 100% my hair, just some of it is colored, so don't let that fool you. So yes, my hair is 100% mine, no hair extensions or anything. Yeah, but I'm going to just try and get achieve a beach wave look. So what I'm going to do with my hair is that I'm going to just when I clamp it, I'm going to clamp it down here and allow it to rotate all the way up. By leaving, they said leaving a little bit of hair out will help give it that beach wave look. So that's what you want to do when you're curling. But yeah, I'm really excited to give this a try. Like I said, this is the hairspray protectant. So to unlock it, there's a cool little, for like travel safety, you know, when some of your sprays have like opened up and sprayed in your bag. The really cool thing is this is ready to go. You don't have to have a cap, which is really awesome. I do not like caps, and that's why sometimes that can happen. So this is a really cool feature on this hairspray protectant that just has that little twist instead of a cap. Spray right through my hair for each section. That way I make sure each strand gets enough. And that actually smells really good. It doesn't have that hairspray. Oh my goodness. Good job, you guys. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I love the smell of that. Okay, so with this clamp right here, like I said, I do not want to get the end, so I'm going to clamp right here, and then, oh, I want to go the other way. And so I'm going to go up, and voila! That's pretty cool. And there's the curl. Alright, let's try another strand here. So I want to clamp right below there, and then, oh. I think it's going to take a second for me to get used to it, but you want to make sure you're pushing the arrow the wrong way, or else you'll get a really funky little groove. And then once you are done, you just take that and release. Alright, I'm going to give it another little spin here. Oh, I got it this time. Voila. I'm just going to spray all over because it's kind of hard to switch back and forth, but I would suggest taking just one strand at a time and doing it. Nice, that's so pretty. I love this curling iron. It gives such a nice curl. Okay. Give it a second and release. Awesome, that's looking so good. Okay, let's keep on trying again. Just grab a strand like there. Spray. And then with the clamp right here, go in right there, leaving a little bit of the strand out, and then twirling up. And I only need a few seconds, and voila, there's that curl. And then taking the spray, and I like to run my fingers through it too, that way it just evenly spreads that thermal protectant. And then we clamp and return. It takes a second to really kind of understand how to like spin it the right way, because I'm like, oh, and then I'm like, oops. So I think after doing it a few times, it'll get really easy using this curling iron. Using that thermal protectant. Using this. Oh. And then the other thing I'm noticing is, like, if I set it down, make sure you have it spin the right way, because the handle can be in the way of setting it down. So just make sure like it's spin the right way. If you get it, you know what I'll mean once you try it yourself. So I'm going to go like this, leaving some hair out. I'm going to start spinning towards me and allowing it to sit. And then I'm releasing. Let's get some underneath pieces. This is so cool. I've never had an automatic, I've never had an automatic curling iron, so this is something really cool. I think this will take time. Like, yes, it's an easier way of curling your hair, but it definitely is going to take time getting used to churning. But I think it's going to be a lot easier for people who have a hard time figuring out how to curl it on their own. This will make it a lot easier. Like, if you watch one of the creators of this curling iron, she's a hairstylist herself, and she has done hair for magazines, and what she explains is that she was having a hard time with a normal curling iron, how to curl it, because she would do this magazine and then tell multiple magazines of how to hold it and then how to twist it, and she always says it's so hard telling that, and then the writer has a hard time going through with what she's saying. So she's like, how can I like create something that's a little bit easier to explain? And she came up with this awesome curling iron, and I must say it gives some really beautiful beach wave curls. Like, that is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Every you know, tool has its obstacles for some people. So if you are having any problems, let me know. But other than that, this is really cool. Voila. It only takes a few seconds for it to warm up and get my hair styled, but I think I'm really getting the hang of this. Isn't that so cool how it goes up like that? Once that has its moment, then I release. And that stuff smells so good. It's not really like a strong hold. I feel like this curling iron is hotter, so it gives it that really nice curl look, which it should do. There it goes. And while my hair is, you know, curling, and once I unclip, I'm like already searching for the next strand, so it makes it go by a lot faster. Oh, this way. So like I said, once you get clamped and twirl up, find your next hair strand, and this will make your process go a lot quicker, even though this is really fun and stuff. But if you're in like a rush and trying to get out the door, I would highly suggest doing it this way. Oops. There we go. And then grab for the next strand and release. I'm still making sure I'm leaving a little bit of hair out just to keep that beach wavy look. To get that like beach wave hair, you have to leave out the ends. If you want more of like a glamorous type of curl, you would start with the very tip and then roll all the way up. All right, it's looking like my hair is almost all the way done. How simple was that? And I'm still like trying to get used to making sure that I'm pushing that way. It's okay to go back in and grab, you know, pieces that you might not like, so you can retouch up. Oh, so I've been doing this wrong. The one thing that you need to do after your curl, you can press home. So if you have turned a little bit, like saying like how I was setting it down on that, well, all you do is press home and it'll retwist your, how cool is that? For the most part, I really love how my curls are. It's a little harder staring at the little computer screen. Gotta make sure I'm doing the hair right, but, and there you are. You have the Beachwaver curl. This is what they're all about, and yeah, and you can always run your fingers through it at the end. Thanks so much for watching on Lady Von Barber. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Bye!